Small city urban gardens are a real challenge. You're overlooked, there's not a lot of space, it feels sometimes quite dark and enclosed, and you've got to try and create a sense of a family garden or somewhere you want to be. So, what have we got to do? We've got to make this garden feel interesting, feel a space you want to go outside and actually use. And in this case, it had to work hard as well because it had to have some workspace. So looking at the overview of the garden now, we need to understand the roots into this space. And now we're going to have a work office at the end, which is we need to get to. So we need to understand what the family needs. It needs some family space to eat outside. We have to have a route to the workspace. But then there are the other things. What do we look at when we're in the workspace? What do we surround ourselves with when we're in the family space? This garden is quite small and it's quite narrow. So, a really good way to create a sense of width in the garden is to offset the angles. We don't want the lawn and the paths to follow the same line as the fences. Now, here, what I'm trying to do is create two spaces. One, as this one here, would be the family space when you come out of the patio doors or up the stairs, with the route then through to the work office. And that then creates a gap, a join, a transition between the family space and the garden space, which maybe we can put an archway or something. So if we draw this into the garden, this garden has wonderful visual space above. And so what we need to do is to elevate your eye line so we don't notice the shed, the new workspace at the end. We don't notice the paths. We don't notice the trampoline as much. We want to be looking upwards to where we have the space in the garden. Now, in this instance here, there is a level change, but we can accommodate that with steps quite easily. So we're going to create this patio family space first, and then try and offset a space for the children to play. Taking the lawn right up to the fence doesn't make the lawn feel smaller. It helps make the garden feel bigger. So do try and sometimes lose some of the boundaries. Now, I mentioned height, and this is where we need to have something tall in this transition space between the patio and the garden. So if I put that in now, you can see I've put the home office in, and now we've got a pergola. I've raised some of the level of the soil so that we can mound it up, which will give me a little bit more planting space. And then it's all about filling the garden with flowers. Filling the space so that you notice bright colored flowers, plants that move in the breeze, and all of this then creates a visual feast, so the size of the garden seems to become less important. If you'd like some specific design advice or help for your garden, we offer a brilliant video consultation service. Simply book your call at plantplots.com, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.